There's so many beautiful colors. Yoo-hoo! Hello. How can I help you? I want to go on a trip. Do you have any recommendations? Indonesia. United States. Australia. The ticket is being printed. Please wait. Please take your ticket. Ladies and gentlemen, we are ready for takeoff. Passengers, please put away your passengers. Please fasten your seatbelt. Fastening your seatbelt can keep you safe. Cabin check is complete. Please tap on the. Please pull the throttle. Please operate the controls. The plane took off successfully. We're on our way. Slide the car left and right to collect coins. Passengers, we will arrive in Indonesia shortly. I would like to go sea fishing. There are so many fish here. Let's start fishing. The fish is on the hook. Have to reel in. Let's go somewhere else. The fish is on the hook. Have to reel in. Let's make a pot of fish soup with the fish we caught. Let's enjoy the fish soup together. Passengers, we're passing through turbulence. Please take care. Please find all the safety hazards in the cabin. There's still a problem. Passengers, the safety check is complete, and you did a great job. Have to equip the magical item. Passengers, we will arrive in the United States shortly. Let's go and play a football match. We have to change into our football uniform before going to the match. Wear a helmet to protect our heads.
The football match is about to start. Players, please get ready.
Passengers, the meal service. I'm done eating. I like the food. Passengers, we will arrive in Australia shortly. The Opera House is very famous here. We're rehearsing for today's performance. Can you help us? Connect all the notes. Wow! You've got an amazing voice! Next, we'll practice the melodies. Catch the bubbles with the French horn to make sounds. It's so interesting. Finally, we need to arrange the rhythm. Thank you for traveling on the Baby Bus flight, and we look forward to seeing you again.